Ever wonder why your car isn't worth as much as when you first bought it? This is due to what we call car depreciation. It's like a silent partner in the journey of car ownership, constantly nibbling away at your vehicle's value. Car depreciation is the loss of a vehicle's value over time. Think of it as the cost of the miles you're clocking, the wear and tear your car experiences, and the simple fact that as time goes by, your car is getting older. It's a universal truth. Whether you own a compact city car or a luxury sedan, depreciation is inevitable. Now, let's talk numbers. Picture this. You've just driven your brand new car off the lot. Guess what? It's already lost about 20% of its value in that first year. And this trend continues, with your car depreciating by roughly 15% per year for the first 4 or 5 years. The factors causing this depreciation include not only the make and model of your car, but also the mileage, vehicle age, maintenance and repairs, and market demands and trends. So while you can't stop depreciation, understanding it can help you make smarter choices when buying and maintaining your vehicle. So now you know what car depreciation is, but how do we calculate it? Stick around to find out. Calculating car depreciation might seem complex, but don't worry, we've got you covered. There are several methods you can use, but we'll focus on two: the straight line depreciation method and the declining balance depreciation method. The straight line method is quite straightforward. Let's say you bought a car for $20,000 and you expect it to be worth nothing after 10 years. You would simply divide the initial cost by the number of years. So, your car would depreciate $2,000 annually. On the other hand, the declining balance method takes into account that cars lose most of their value in the initial years. So, if your car is expected to depreciate by 20% annually, the first year it would lose $4,000, the next year it would lose 20% of the remaining value, and so on. To simplify this process, you can use online tools like Edmunds and Kelley Blue Book. These resources can help you estimate the cost of owning a vehicle over 5 years, taking into account factors like make and model, mileage, and market demands. Remember, understanding your car's depreciation can help you make better decisions when it comes to buying, selling, or even maintaining your vehicle. While depreciation is inevitable, there are ways to slow it down. Choosing a vehicle with a good projected resale value is a smart move. Cars that hold their value well are less likely to depreciate rapidly. Following a regular maintenance schedule is another key step. A well-maintained car can command a higher resale value and depreciate slower than one that's been neglected. Good driving habits also play a role. Avoiding aggressive driving can reduce wear and tear, helping to maintain your car's value. Now here's a tip that might surprise you. Consider buying a gently used car. Since cars depreciate the most in their first year, buying a car that's a year or two old can mean you avoid that initial depreciation hit. And let's not forget about appearances. Keeping your car clean and in good condition helps preserve its value. Regular servicing, including oil changes and tire rotations, are also essential. These maintenance tasks keep your car running smoothly, which can also slow depreciation. So there you have it. Car depreciation might be unavoidable, but with these tips, you can certainly slow it down and get the most out of your vehicle.